Guys, today I'm back with a different kind of review. It's my experience as well as starter kit for a cat owning. So I will just start with few things. I have already reviewed the nursing pet bottle. This is for both cat and dog. You should have it if you have a kitten. Okay, so this is a training behavior solution for cat as well as dog. So it should be used when your cat is 18. Okay, not a kitten, not a whole cat. You should start training from that time. Okay, so these are optional. The first two are optional, but now comes the main basics thing. So like medicines. Okay, so I will start with Feverlin. So guys, this is a medicine which you should use after giving your cat the vaccinations. Okay, so this you should give it for 2 days after your cat's vaccination. So this decreases the pain as well as fever of the cat. Okay, then comes so sensitive. So sensitive is ear cleaning. Your cat's ear are always dirty, so these are the droppers which you use for the cat. Okay, so this is the sound with which the cat runs away when he knows this ears are going to be cleaned, and it does not like it. So seeing this bottle now also, you can see the reaction. He is shocked and he is just afraid. You can see he is just afraid. He is running away from this bottle, guys. So this is the ear cleaning. Okay, so this is next medicine. So this is for eye, as you can see. So if his eye turns red, your kitten's or cat's eye turns red, or he has conjunctivitis, so this is the medicine given to the cat. Okay, so hi guys, this is a dewormer. So this is also the most important thing cat needs. Okay, so this is a Felidi brand dewormer. Price is 130 rupees, 10 ml bottle. And guys, this you have to feed your cat each month, and if it is a kitten, it will take 1.5 ml. Okay guys, and next year you should use 2 ml, then it will be 3 ml as the years increase. So guys, it's important and you must have. Guys, there are few medicine which are to be fed, can be given by the dropper or by the injection. Okay, so guys, then comes the advance. This is normally a multi nutri coat. Okay, this is good for the coat. Okay, it has omega 6 and omega 3. So this is also good for the fur. And if you are giving too much of dry fruit, or else you think your food is not having that much nutrients, you can give this thing. So this bottle is 200 grams, and it is 200 grams for 440 rupees. Too costly, but this is good for the coat, and it gives the omega supplements to your cat. Okay, it comes with a dropper. The feeding guide is on the box, guys. So like 10 grams, 10 milliliter for a 2-month-old or less than 2-month-old kitten. Okay, so this is, guys, this is the Himalayas flea and tick control powder. So I like this. I use this. This is a good powder, because other flea control powder are harmful for your kitten. He should not lick that powder. This all precaution you have to take on other, but this is 100% natural and good powder. And each cat has fleas any time of the year, so you have to have this. So guys, this is the Venti Pro 100% certified food for a kitten. So this is an important food. Okay, so it has enriched with omega 3 and 6 fatty acid, the same which is for fur. But good thing is that this is a milk replacer. Okay, so actually milk completely is not good for your cat. We feed milk, but it is not good. You should feed him Venti Pro at least for the kitten, and you should grow it up. And this can also be an after a time cat likes it. This is just a powder with a spoon which is of measurement 10 grams. So this powder, after being a little big than the kitten, they can eat it dry also. They like it. Okay, so guys, then comes the shampoo, the sulfate free vitamin enhanced cat shampoo. Okay guys, you should always use cat shampoo, not a human shampoo, because it has such ingredients that can harm your cat. and you know, cat licks his body, so this are sulfate and vitamin enhanced shampoo, very great thing. So guys, this is a simple thing. This is a brush, but it does a very good work. So you can comb your kitten, but do you know the mom cat's mouth has bristles, and this brush or else any brush of pet gives the same feeling as his mom. So kitten love it, okay, and they will like it when you brush them with this. But as you grow adult, they don't like this. So guys, this is Trexie catnip. So the review of this is not so great, but guys, catnip is one of the important things for cat, because the cat which is not active gives this. So this makes playfulness, increases the predatorship of the cat. Then it gives a good sleep, and you know, it's a good dopamine for the cat. So guys, finally are the toys. You should keep your cat active, guys. So you can see I have reviewed this toy, but now he has played it with so much that if you will see my old review, this was a very beautifully crafted rat, but now he played with it so much that it has come to break. But this was a total value toy. And these are some basic things, you know. These are also toy. This is 15 rupees and this is 150 rupees. Both are worth it, and let your cat be active, and cat plays with it very much. So toys are also essential. And then the basic things like, you know, food, dry fruit, wet food, treats. So here you have to train a cat, reward your cat. Treats is always required. Okay guys, so this is dry fruit, this is wet food. Finally guys comes cat litter. If you don't want the cat to dirty your, so cat tray and cat, if you don't want it to dirty your house. So guys, these are the basic things for your cat. Okay guys, thanks for seeing this video. Thanks Sheru.